your muscles. Oh, oh, look at
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me?
Before I eat it, sit down and watch some TV until it's time for me to get them in 2 hours. So I will see you guys in a bit. And yeah, I'll see you all in a little bit. Also, I had to throw this back on because he literally came after I was done cleaning up. So I got him to shower.
Alright, y'all. Legend just got dressed and he wanted to show you guys his muscles. Show him your muscles. Oh, oh, look at that. Yeah, my boy been working out. You a mess.
Yeah, I mean, punch! Punch!
What are you doing?
Punch!
Ow! Why are you punching me?
Yeah, see, I'm strong.
Oh, look, I'm gonna file for assault.
Huh?
You're a mess. So y'all, it is currently 1:54. It's a mess when they know exactly what I'm going to say when I get on camera.
Hi, hi, hi.
So yeah, so I've been cleaning up. Literally, I been cleaning up the boys' room, cleaning their sheets and all that stuff. What, your other shoe?
Yeah. No, I've been looking for these.
Oh, you need socks. Get them dirty shoes off my bed, sir. I've been throwing stuff away.
No.
Just trying to get everything organized, and I gotta get some boxes today, for the week. And
I'm gonna get my new socks on.
Wait, you got some already open? So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I need to edit a vlog. I've been doing shorts and stuff. I'm so excited, y'all, because I had one short that got
No, you don't.
they got a lot of views on. I think it got like 2,000, which is not much to, maybe not much to y'all, but it's a lot to me because I usually like my shorts and my reels and stuff. Well, my reels on Facebook usually get a lot of views, but my reels and stuff like on Instagram and my TikToks, they don't be getting a lot of stuff, or my shorts. So I'm trying to like be more creative and create better content so that, yeah, I can see it. What are you doing, boy? Look at him.
Oh no, I'm hurting me.
Do you need help? So get up here so I can help you. All I gotta say is, Mommy, can you help me, please? I need help.
Okay.
Okay? That's all. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's Sunday, by the way. The kids go back to school tomorrow.
Bye.
So
Peace. Gang, 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 gang.
I'm just like I said, I'm just getting everything ready for the work week. School week. This is my last week this week before I go back to work.
We're moving
the following week.
So
I just want to get a majority of my stuff done because I don't really know exactly. I mean, I know that I'm going to be all. What's up, y'all? So it is later on in the day. Y'all, I had to edit another video because I really need to either start editing all these videos and get it out, or get another memory card, because I don't be able to record anything until my memory is off of my camera, and I don't be wanting to delete my footage because you can't get that back.
Oh, can I get some?
Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, so like I said, yeah, so I gotta start editing more or just get another memory card. But anyway, I got Nye and Legend in the back. I needed a snack, y'all. Like I've been trying
Hi guys.
all day to not get any sugar. But I couldn't handle it no more. Like, and it's not gonna stop anything. It's not gonna stop any progress or nothing. So I'm just, you know, just gonna have, enjoy my snack and continue on. But I'm going to Walmart because I have to get a few things for the house. Get the kids lunches for the week, and get a few boxes to start putting stuff away. I edited a what? Y'all gotta listen. I did a ponytail in my baby's hair, and I don't know. We're gonna have to try something else.
Yes.
Well, I didn't have a hot comb. I had brought a hot comb. Actually, it came in the mail yesterday.
That's why you should just do a slick ponytail with butterfly clips and some like a push up here.
Yeah. Once it starts getting like cooler and stuff, we can do more styles like that. But yeah, I edited a video, and I literally was looking at my analytics, y'all, and I seen like, so I started my YouTube journey in November of 2021. I had 3 subscribers. I had 3 subscribers, and you know, even though, you know what I'm saying, I'm still growing, and you know, I'm not monetized yet. I'm just thankful and grateful, because like I never thought that I was going to get past, like it took, like I didn't even feel like I was going to get past 100, you know what I'm saying, because like I wasn't consistent or anything. I didn't start consistent until April of this year, and I just seen so much growth, and I'm just so thankful for you guys. I'm thankful for each and every one of you guys that take the time out to watch my videos, who subscribe, who engage and comment, who likes my videos. I truly appreciate you guys so much. It just gives me motivation to keep on posting and keep on creating content. So I was gonna do a wig, some wig content on TikTok, but y'all, I told y'all, did I tell y'all yesterday? Look, this is why I can't find my batteries. Cause I just be
It's a battery outside.
I just be putting them everywhere.
Your batteries is
But I need to get some more wig glue tomorrow while the kids are in school, because I am tired of like that gold bond glue that I got that's clear. It's just not it. It's not. Like I literally put it on yesterday, and my unit was lifting up the same day. I literally could just take it off last night. So yeah, we don't want that. So I'm gonna wash this unit tonight, get the lace clean, and then reinstall it tomorrow. But yes, y'all, this daily vlogging is just, I ain't gonna lie, vlogging daily is like, it's a lot, because like I feel like normal people that, you know what I'm saying, live normal lives, like we don't do things every day. And I'll be like, I don't want to pick up the camera because it's not content worthy. But I said I'm gonna vlog every day, so I'm gonna vlog every day, and you know what I'm saying, hopefully y'all will watch my videos. Yeah, hopefully we can do different things and come up with some creative ideas. But Sundays, you know, Walmart is be packed. Hopefully I can find everything that I need for the kids. Y'all know I be getting my Minute Maid no sugar, and they ain't got none. See, that's why I hate coming on Sundays, because what? Yeah, because they always be packed and buying up my stuff.
Raisin cookies.
Oh, y'all look at Mr. Beats.
But we can get these.
Mr. Beast.
That's the Mr.
Y'all look at Mr. Beats cookies.
I don't like them though. I want them.
They're plant-based and gluten-free.
I want free cookies.
That's gluten-free.
Why can't we just put these, Reggie?
We can. They don't have sugar in it. They're going to taste nasty. They have toothpaste in the middle.
No, they don't. How about you sit in the seat with my bucket wall? Nice, stop.
Let him give me a kiss.
I want to give him a kiss. No. Okay.
Oh, he's so sweet. Don't you love kids when they're that age, when they just want kisses, and then when they get to be like 10, you can't even get a little peck at all. They be embarrassed, like, stop, Mom. All right, we're gonna go straight. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I wanted to get, wait a minute, because I think I want to get a TV. Yeah, you can. Here. Watch my purse right there.
Legend, sit there.
Look at that.
Here. So
y'all, look at this race car game.
they have these iPads and I love playing on them. So I like to come here, wait, and I like to press that.
And they got some racing games.
Swipe like that. Oh, this one doesn't have it.
Oi! It does.
So y'all, I want to do this one.
I want to play.
And I just want
Are you gonna play it?
to color the hair in
Are you
a
gonna
little
play
lighter. It's better with the pen, but I guess they don't have it. Let me get off this.
We're gonna go get some boxes and leave. Alright, y'all, so I went and got I got the boys a TV. They needed a TV in their room because the TV that they had, I think my mom gave to us a while ago when my oldest son broke the TV. So I needed an updated TV because they couldn't get like YouTube and stuff on there and like Netflix. So got a smart TV, and I'm going to be taking that to the new house. So yeah, but I'm about to get some boxes real quick, and they want to go and look at some toys, and then we out. These kids swear they the biker boys. Look at them. Look. They swear they're the biker boys, okay? They swear they got dirt bikes and motorcycles and everything. Alright, babies. Yeah, I'm watching YouTube. I'm on Temu looking at some stuff for the house. This is so cute, y'all. I didn't realize like Temu has, I already put it in my cart, but Temu be having cute stuff. Like, look at that. I have so many ideas. I put this in the cart too. I got so many ideas for the house. I'm just putting stuff in the cart for right now. Until like, oh my gosh. These are so cute. I always wanted some pampas. So I'm going to have a lot in the house. But yeah, that's one. Oh, this is cute. Yes. Y'all, fun fact about me. Excuse the light in here. But fun fact about me, I'm not a decor girl. I'm not at all. But I want my new place to be a certain way. I kind of wanted to be aesthetically pleasing in some way, shape, or form. I just want to feel like, I just want my house to just feel like luxury. That's what I wanted to give as much as it can. I know, you know, with the kids and stuff, you know what I'm saying, it's hard to have like certain things, but me personally, I feel like if you just buckle down with your kids to be like, stay away from that stuff. We're not going to be playing here in this area right here. Yeah, I feel like you still can get whatever, you still can have your house however you want it to have. My biggest issue was like when my granddaughter would be over, and when she was staying, you know, because she's 2, you know, 2-year-olds mess with stuff, so, but she's not coming up there with us, so I probably could do a lot of things. So I'm excited about that, you guys. I am eating a salad, and I'm just chilling until it's time to get the kids. I got their TV up, and so they're in their room watching TV. Y'all, I've been tired. I don't know. I just started taking my vitamin D again. I know, like, when the weather breaks, there's less sun. So I make sure that I push my vitamin D, because when I get tired and stuff, a lot of times it's because my vitamin D is getting low. So I took my vitamin D today. So I'm gonna try to push myself to edit another video. I was gonna do Nai's hair today, but I'm gonna push it for tomorrow. Yeah. So if I do anything else, y'all, I feel like this daily vlogging is just, I don't know, because it's like, if you're doing like a vlog in 3 days, you know what I'm saying, you can make sure you have something entertaining for you guys. But you know, my life be boring for real, especially like right now, because I'm in the middle of getting ready to move, so it's nothing really going on. But I guess that's the whole thing of daily vlogging, just so y'all can see what I do on a daily basis, and y'all can spend y'all days with me. So I will pick you guys back up in a few.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel me?
Can't focus on me.